performing on stage as one of the adult ensemble members in the Bristol Theatre Company's stage production of Matilda the Musical. Also joining me is my girlfriend Tabitha Shepherd. Performances take place from July 31st through August 2nd of 2025 at the Kickingham Middle School, located at 545 Charles Street in Warren, Bristol County, Rhode Island. Do not miss out on this special event because it will be my first and official theater stage performance engagement. To purchase tickets for the show, stop by at the aforementioned location in person and purchase them at the door. It would make me very happy if you go. Anyways, that's all I have to say. Enjoy the video.
How do they not have a railroad stop up there?
Mm-hmm.
I think they have a gate.
They used to back then.
Isn't this kind of dangerous? Isn't this dangerous? You think so? You paying attention? Relax. Thanks for training.
Here it comes. Ready, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can I start recording?
She's going really slow because she knows there's no gate here, so they have to be really careful.
Hey Meta, record this.
Don't touch screen. Do not touch screen.
I'm not going to.
Just wait. Stay put. You don't have to wait right now. Wait till they start coming by.
Here comes
I want
PC30.
them food. Smells like some good food. There's nobody in the back, Tom, because there's nobody in the back. Hey, check this one off. Check this one off. Got it?
Well, everyone, that's all for this video. This is the only clip I have gotten from the day I went to catch the Newport dinner train. The next time I plan on doing this, I hope for the best that my parents won't be too busy with other stuff. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. And if you're new and if you enjoyed this video, hi, welcome to CB Productions. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more great content coming soon, and click or tap on the bell icon so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads, including live streams. I'll see you on the next video, or on the next live stream. Goodbye!